Today I'm super excited to get my first flock of chickens, and today I will be going to the store and getting whatever I need. Once we are done getting our supplies, we will be going back home and setting everything up. We will be collecting some supplies. Peter, this food today for the chickens, and if we need it. The little chickens, a baby cake. Thermometer, that, the food, the water and food, and this, the bedding. And we have our chicken coop at home and stuff. My dad, and he said that we can pick them up today. I'm so excited. The chickens, we got 10 girls, and they're so cute. They like to nibble at your fingers, but you don't feel anything. I'm excited. They're so cute. They keep on hitting the wall though. Got the bucket and we're putting all the things, the chickens in there. Got the lamp ready. We're putting some more. Oops. We got some other things. I got the water started. I scooped and then I put it in there. So let's go. And I tried my best to get in there. So I want it drop in. Put it right here. And what I do is instead of trying to flip it, I kind of put it on top. Then I screw the thing on top as good as I can. Okay, that's a baby chicken.
What is it, Mimi?
Now that they're all set, let's go check out the mini coop. We're preparing the coop. We got the locks here. Open it and shut it. There's windows. We're gonna put a curtain here. Door. And then there's the grass. Slide the bottom. My mom's cutting the grass to size and to put onto the table. And also, this is what the back.
Ow, my big one. Ow!
And there's already grass in here. You can pull this. This is how you clean it. You just pull it out. And then you can push it back in. See? See? And it's super soft.
No, please.
Come here.
No.
Well, we have a little stairs so they can get in and out. And they can go up here on this and climb up, and then they can go down here into there. And we have a fence here.
Fully protected.
So they're fully protected. Mini coop. We're gonna wipe more. So it'll be extra clean. A few days ago, I got chickens. Look how big they're getting. Okay. And they're so huge. The light's right there. Probably wondering what happened to different ones. My mom Velcro these on top. And we put this over it and like over it down here too, and like at the side so they don't get wet. So you guys more of these if you like, and follow and comment and share. Watch, come. They listen very much. Come.